We are getting off the ship today in Kahului, Maui. And she's wishing us a great day. And I'm here with Janet.
Hello.
And we are on the grandest of princesses, the Grand Princess. Hi. And we're going to exit through the gift shop. Although I don't think there's a gift shop here. So, Kahului is Maui, port of Maui. Of course, Princess used to tender into Lahaina, but I don't think they're going to do that anytime soon. So you walk through the terminal building, and you are outside in the sunshine. And we have never been to this port before. Times we cruised here, it was Lahaina, tender boat. These people are waiting for cabs or whatever, tours. Of course, there's the ship. Kahului, Maui, Hawaii. And we're just going to walk around here today. We haven't spent much time in Kahului. Of course, the airport and the Costco are both here. There are several beaches in walking distance, and that's what we're going to do. Walk to several beaches in walking distance and maybe some shopping.
Right around to the beach.
So when you come out the port gate right here, there's a beach right over on the other side of that pier or dock, and then up there there's beaches. But I don't know if they want you going that way. So we'll go this way, up into town, and then across the other way. And it's a little bit windy here today. There's the ship. And we're gonna walk between these buildings, I guess. And it sounds like these are operating, whatever they are. So the walk from the ship into town is not very scenic, but it is marked pedestrian walkway over there. Huh. Yeah, all the cans are empty. There's a sign. Of course, it points the other direction, but anyway. We are still on this trail. It's been like a half a mile. I'm not kidding. And they've got a guard shack here. Oh yeah, they've got a guard. Harbor security. Wicked. Well, you can see how far the ship is away from us. Like I said, it was about a half a mile to here. But now we're out on the main road through Kahului. If you go that way, you'll get to Costco and the airport, Haleakala. If you go this way, you get to West Maui. Eo Valley is right up in there, those mountains. This is Kahului Avenue. Well, 22 seconds. It's across the street, and it's a busy port. And there's a Whole Foods right there, and a Long's Drugs.
Long's Drugs is open 24 hours.
Yeah. And several other stores. We are headed to Hoaloha Park now, which is the nearest beach to the ship. I think a lot of the crew go there. Of course, there's the ship. Like I said before, this is a very busy street. The center is back right there. I believe this is the park. And I guess we could just cut through here. That's a car dealer actually right there. And so we come to Hoaloha Park, where Chicken and her chicks live. Huh? beach is right out there. So there were outhouses right there by the park sign. But there are restrooms here and it says private. Ah, Hawaiian Canoe Club only. So, you gotta go. You're gonna go there. Now, here's something I tried to show in another video. That's the banana flower, all dried up, and those are the little bananas. And there's more in there. We get a good look at the ship from here. We have never been to this beach, so I don't know what to expect. On the map it looks like it has gray sand, but this doesn't look so bad. Water looks fairly clear. It's a nice long stretch of beach. Got some windsurfers. Very powdery sand. Very powdery. Water looks clear. Relatively clear. And it's Janet. Now the guy here is going to do one of those hydrofoil boards. See? He's just got to get in deep enough to flip it over. I don't know why he's washing it on that side. And another guy trying to windsurf. I'm guessing for the first time. Yep, back out. Maybe he's all done washing it off. Oh, there's another one. Go for it. Well, we walked down to the end of the beach. There is no getting up there. That's Wharf Street, which we crossed earlier. Of course, there's the ship. If you walk about a mile up through town there along the street, you'll get to the Queen Kahului Center, which is a big shopping mall. Got a theater in it, and a lot more stores. So it's right about where I'm aiming the camera. But it's a mile from where we're standing. We're not going to go there today. We're going to go somewhere else. So this was Hoaloha Beach. And it's about a mile from the ship, maybe a little less if you walk straight here. But you do have to wind through that pedestrian walkway from the ship. There's no avoiding that. I mean, unless you catch a cab or something, Uber, Lyft, tour. We are going to head up to the other side of the ship to another beach, Kanaha Beach. And that's where you'll see the kite surfers maybe, if it's windy enough. And I'm thinking it's windy enough. And we're going to cut through here. Remember, we came down between those two buildings there where the canoes are. But I think we can go up this way. Be shorter. It's about a mile from where we are right now. Momoa Bakery and Coffee Shop. Right out here on the main road. And it is booming. Business is good there. So from Kahului, Maui, and I'm Garrett. Bye!